Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony MHC-V02 Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, not syncing with the other speakers that you have, if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not pairing, things like that, if you're having sound issues, a hard reset will fix a lot of these things. Now, you're going to need to set everything up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get this speaker to the way it was when it came out of the box new, so you can set it up in a new environment, totally new, we can do this really easily. The first thing we want to do is just turn it off and unplug it completely. Wait a couple seconds, and then plug it back in and go ahead and turn it back on. And then once it's back on, we're going to find the guitar button over here and the mega bass button over here, and we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 3 seconds, after which you will see it go into its reset cycle. Go ahead and let it do it, and then you can turn it back on and set it up as a new speaker.